Good morning. Our next topic is solving linear equation in two variables, class 10. There are four types of solving: graphical method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. For example, say this: solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 3. Now we are considering these two linear equations. Now we have to solve. First I am taking by graphical method. So for that I am considering the first equation. This I am taking as first equation. Okay. This as first equation. Right. So last year itself we know how to represent this linear equation in two variable or one variable in graph. How to represent this. So for that what we have to do, we have to consider this x value and we have to find the corresponding y value. There are two types are there. First we can write y is equal to something, like that we have to consider. So what I am doing, 3y is equal to, bring this 2x that side. So 5 minus 2x. After that y is equal to, what I will get? 5 minus 2x divided by 3. 5 minus 2x divided by 3. This is y value. Okay, right. So now I am considering x and y value. Suppose for example y value is, if x value if I give, I will get corresponding y value. Like that we have to find at least 3 values. Actually 2 is enough. 2 points if we know means, if we plot this 2 points in this graph, we will get the line. Actually this linear equation in two variable equation will represent a straight line. We know that in 9th standard itself. So we are going to draw that corresponding line. How to draw that? We have to find that points. So that I am giving x value is 1. So 5 minus 2 into 1, 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Numerator 3 divided by 3. So 3 by 3 cancel 1. Y value also 1. Like this we have to give another value for x. Next value I am trying with 2. If I give 2, 5 minus 2 into 2, 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 3. We cannot plot that 1 by 3 point, that's why it is little bit difficult. That's why I am leaving this 2. I am considering 3 for x value. So 5 minus 2 into 3, 6. So 5 minus 6 means minus 1 by 3. So this also little bit difficult, that's why I am leaving. Next I am trying with x value as 4. 5 minus 2 into 4, 8. So 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus 3 by 3 cancel minus 1. So it is correct. So that I am taking x value as 4. So 5 minus 8 minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. Suppose if you are getting confused means, in this right hand side you just to try 5 minus 2 into 4, 8 divided by 3. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3 divided by 3. If you cancel this, minus 1. It's all. So like this I am trying with x value as 6. 5 minus what I will get? 12 divided by 3. So what I will get? 5 minus 12 is nothing but minus 7 divided by 3. This also little bit difficult to plot this. That's why leave this x value. Next to try with the 7. So 5 minus 2 into 7, 14 by 3. So what I will get? Minus 9 divided by 3. If you cancel this, minus 3 we will get. So x value as 7. So x value 7 means y value is minus 3. So now we are getting 3 points. Now plot the points. 1, 1, 4, minus 1, 7, minus 3 in graph. And join them. That's all. We'll get a graph. Now we'll see how to plot this. Now consider this graph. Here we have to plot this 3 points and join them. We'll get a line. What are the points? 1, 1. So where is 1, 1? In this x-axis 1 is here, y-axis plus 1 is here. So that x value 1, y value also 1. So that this point, this is 1 comma 1. Next, what is that? 4 comma minus 1. So 4 in the x axis, minus 1 in the y axis. So 4 in the x axis, minus 1 in the y axis. So 4 minus 1 is here. So that here. So this point. Next, 7 comma minus 3. So x value 7, y value minus 3. Minus 3 is here, 7 is here. So that minus 3, 7 is here. So that this point. So first of all of you know how to write this value. This is x axis and this is y axis. This is x dash, that is negative value, and this is y dash, negative value. So this side, right hand side positive, left hand side negative in x axis. Upper values are positive in y axis, below values are negative in y axis. First draw this one, after that plot these points and join these 3 points. Like this, you draw this line, that is join this line. After that, write the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 on the line. On the line we have to write this equation. Now consider the second equation. What is that? Consider 5x minus 2y is equal to 3. Second equation. Here also we have to find minus 2y is equal to, see this little bit different. 5x you bring this side, minus 5x. Here actually minus 2y. Minus 2y is equal to 3 minus 5x. Actually I need 2y. Make it positive. So that this minus 5x will become plus 5x. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. So 5x minus 3. Everywhere I am multiplying with the minus. So this becomes 2y. Now y is equal to 5x minus 3 divided by 2. So here also, like first equation, we have to find at least 3 points and join them. Now I am giving x value as 1. So what I will get? 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So y value also 1. Next, what we can give for x value? If you are giving 2, 5 into 2, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 by 2. That is 3.5 we will get. So leave that. 3 you give. 5 into 3, 15. 15 minus 3, 12. So we can get. So I am giving 3. So 15 minus 3 divided by 2. So 12. 12 by 2 means 6. Y value is 6. Next, what we can give? Minus 1 you try. What we are getting? Minus 1 means minus 5. 5 into minus 1, it's minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So it is nothing but minus 8 by 2. That is minus 4, right? So that x value is minus 1. So we are getting minus 4. So these 3 points is enough. So similarly, like your first condition, plot these 3 points in the graph. What we will get? So first 2 point is 1 comma 1. It's already 1 comma 1 is plotted. Next 3 comma 6. X value 3, y value 6. So 3 is here, 6 is here. So 3 comma 6. Next point is minus 1 comma minus 4. X value minus 1 is here, y value minus 4 is here. So this point. Join these 3 points, we will get another line. So we are getting this line. Now see that these 2 lines are intersecting, right? So if the 2 lines are intersecting, where it intersects, see this 1 comma 1, that is the solution for these 2 lines. Actually in 9th standard we studied that each and every point on this line are the solutions of this line, right? So 7 comma minus 3 is the solution of this line, and 1 comma 1 is the solution of this line, 4 comma minus 1 is the solution of this line, and each and every point, this point, this point, this point, all these points are the solution of this line. Similarly, each and every point on this line are the solutions of this line or this equation. So many solutions are there for this equation. Here also so many solutions are there for this equation. But here, what is the solution for both the lines? So for both means this point will satisfy these two equations, right? Or we can say this point lies on both the lines, correct? See that 1 comma 1 is in this line also, in this line also. So that this 1 comma 1 is the common solution for both the lines. Therefore, this is the required solution. Therefore, from the graph, we are telling that solution is 1 comma 1. That's all. That is x value is 1, y value is also 1. X is equal to 1, y also 1. This is first one is x value, another one is y value. This is abscissa, this is ordinate. So abscissa 1, ordinate 1. So x and y value we found by graphical method.